Guys, we've been lied to. We've been using Reverb wrong this whole time. I found the secret. Well, I haven't found the secret. Streaky shared a video the other day on how to use Reverb to get that polished, buttery, nice sounding vocal that you hear on the radio from established mixes. Like if you're like me and you listen to mixes, you think to yourself, like, how are they getting the vocals to sound so sweet? Like, how are they sounding so nice? What's the secret to using Reverb? So I'm gonna show you what Streaky showed me the other day, and just share this with you in case you haven't already seen it. And I've been using it on the last few mixes I've done, and the clients have loved it. They've actually loved the sound of it. I love the sound of it. So all we're doing is just using the Valhalla Vintage Verb with the Pro-C2. That's all we're doing, but not like how we used to. We're using it as an insert, and if I'm honest, it kind of doesn't sit right with me because I'm always banging on about using Reverb as a send. Like, send your signal, your vocals to a send, save your CPU and that type of stuff. But this works. So here's the vocal without, you might have heard this track already, I've been rinsing this one. So here's the vocals without the reverb.
Gun lean, top girl like trust me, chingy yeah, I'm chungly,
with the beat as well.
Gun lean, top girl like trust me, chingy yeah, I'm chungly, I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy, everyone's talking about me, everyone wants to know who is around me, everyone wants to know who's talking the hardest, Charlie better pop as your fault as an artist, I'm Charlie bad, get used to it, and I'm
crazy. That just sounds crazy. It's like it just gives it space, it gives it just an expensiveness. I love it, absolutely love it. So all we're doing here is we've got the vintage Valhalla Vintage Verb, copy these settings, drop them down, take a screenshot, whatever you need to do. Yeah, he said put it on 0.62 decay, 7.3 milliseconds of pre-delay, and then mix. I think his mix was on a different setting. Let me just double check because I saved it. Vintage Verb, Streaky Gold. Where's that insert gold? Yeah, no, that's not it. Yeah, his preset, his mix is on 15.6. So yeah, just play around with that and get it sounding right for your mix. But for this mix, I felt like 8.2 mix was a sweet spot. I didn't want too much. I'll show you what it sounds like with too much on there.
Gun lean, top girl like trust me, chingy yeah, I'm chungly, I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy.
Yeah, for me, it doesn't sound right. So I just turned it down to 8.2. That felt like the spot, sweet spot. And it's turned down some of the EQs. So 350 was cut. Yeah, it's turned down some of the EQs, turned down the high and the lows just to get rid of some extra stuff that we don't need in the reverb. And again, the pre-delay, like you can change it if you want to time it to the BPM of your track and that. But I feel like the low pre-delay works well, so we just run with that. Then the source is the Pro-C2. That's the source. So what we're doing with the Pro-C2 is just, yeah, pushing the reverb in to the vocals just to glue it, get it sounding nice and sweet, wide and professional.
Chungly, I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy, everyone's talking about me, everyone wants to know who is around me, everyone wants to know who's talking the hardest, Charlie. Gun lean, top girl like trust me, chingy yeah, I'm chungly, I'm so Malone, yeah, gun lean, top girl like trust me, chingy yeah, I'm chungly, I'm so Malone.
So all we're doing is just a dB, minus 1 dB of compression, and that's just squeezing it in and making it sound solid.
Gun lean, top girl like trust me, chingy yeah, I'm chungly, I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy, everyone's talking about me, everyone wants to know who is around me, everyone wants to know who's talking.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to know who is around me.
Moderate release, moderate attack, moderate release. And if you want to copy them settings, feel free to, and then just tweak them up and get it to sit nice with your vocals and your sound. But yeah, salutes, big up to Streaky for that one, because that there is gold. Yeah, and for more tricks and tips, go over to his channel, see what he's got. Great engineer, absolute legend, loads of skills, loads of good tips and tricks, so go and check that out. And yeah, if you want to see some more tips and tricks from my channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And yeah, appreciate your time. See you in the next video.